Finkle, Finkle, Finkleswits. Finkle, Finkle, Finkleswits. Hello, it's me, Dr. Frederick Finkleswits, the mad scientist of the land. And today we're gonna stop the trains because they're too slow and too fast. So as me, Dr. Finkleswits, the mad scientist, we got better technology. We present the warp pipe. The warp pipe is an automatic device that will transport kids to the school to hell. We're coming down with the groundbreaking technology, with the new and obscure machine of the Super Glickalux, the Super Goopalux, or the Flick-Six-Six-Lux. I'm Dr. Finkleswits. This will replace the trains. Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! The Finkel-Licker-Glass is connected to the Chugga-Chugga-Fricker-Ecka-Recka-Raft. And then the machine goes like up and down, and go like doot doot doot, and wah wah wah. And this is Dr. Finkleswits, the mad scientist, and this will be take over the world. Ah!